Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We have 6 Topps Heritage 2021 baseball blaster boxes that we're going to crack open and hope that we pull at least one real one autograph, maybe a relic or two. This was a pretty tough set to get anything good, so just decided to crack these 6 open and take my chances and see if we can't pull a decent autograph out of one of these 6. So let's get into it and see if we are lucky. There are, how many packs in the box? Does it say? 7 packs plus 1 extra pack. So 8 packs. I don't know why they don't just say 8 packs. 9 cards per pack. All right, there's going to be a lot of packs. Our blasters in the background. I've been thinking about getting a subscription box again. Besides Brothers and Cards and the Boom Box, can someone else recommend a decent subscription box where it's not super expensive and you get decent pack value out of it? I mean, it could be for just about any sport, with the exception of hockey, probably. We just don't open a lot of hockey on this channel. I collect hockey, but I really only look for players on the Capitals. This is my team. I don't really collect other stuff, other players. Now, don't get me wrong, if somebody came in with a Connor McDavid rookie or Sidney Crosby or something like that, I'd be interested in it, but I just wouldn't go out of my way to get it. Just for variety, for opening up stuff on the channel. I mean, we used to get the Boom Box, but their prices just got too high for what you got inside the boxes. I just didn't think the value was there, except for, I mean, the closest thing to the value would be the baseball ones. The football and basketball are just ridiculous. You spend $250 and you get a bunch of Donruss and Donruss Elite and all that low-end stuff, hoops. It's just not worth it to me. I'd rather not have it at all. But if there's something else out there, I mean, heck, even Magic, there's a Magic subscription box service out there. I might be interested in trying that. So if you know of anyone, feel free to drop a comment down in the comment section of the video. I appreciate it. And then I will check out any suggestions. All right. Last one. Put the box cutter away. Move the packs over here. And start with this pile. Hopefully we'll need a card stand for some decent hits. But it's, like I said, it's tough in this product. I don't even know. I can't even remember what rookies, like Mountcastle and Chisholm and those guys had rookie cards in this set, or if they were in the update. only opened a few of these, and I'm going to skip all the like regular veteran players, just really looking for rookies. Or all right, so they do have rookie stars: Dane Dunning, Birdie, and Matt Foster for the White Sox. Something tells me this stack of cards is going to get real high. Yankees, Albert, he's up. He's in their bullpen. That's the only one I've heard of. Mookie. Oh, and if I do miss a short print, feel free to let me know in the comments. Anderson Tejada and Ledy Tavares. He's having a good year. I'm just grabbing from random stacks. I'm not going in any order. Cardinals rookies Cody Whitley and Roel Ramirez. Mike Trout, put him to the side. Dodgers Keibert Ruiz now with the Nationals, and Mitch White. Ryan Mountcastle in action. Casey Mize, Tarek Skubal. That one had a few rookies in it. Spencer Howard and Alec Bohm. This one has a ding corner, however. Goldschmidt. No rookies in that one. Oh, there's something in here different. But Merrifield, Eloy. So jersey, Chris Bryant Clubhouse Collection with a nice little pinstripe. 17 of 99. That's not bad. I'll take that. Polanco, Grossman. All right, let me grab one of our... I'll have to find it later. I don't know where our thicker card sleeves are. Our first hit. Mr. Trout, put him in the middle. That's game used. Okay, I didn't notice that at first. It says game used memorabilia, so that's cool. Okay, let's see. Sixto Sanchez in action. Oh, here's one of those little pogs, or I don't know what this is called. It's like it's some sort of insert. I'll put it right here over Trout. All right, that was Luis Robert, by the way. My wrappers are just falling on the floor. I'll have to pick them up later. Yeah, this is not rookies. That's earned run leaders. Game looking for World Series. Guzman, Josh Bell, Dodgers rookies again, Keibert. Shohei in action, Pujols, Molina. Mets rookies, David Peterson and Andres Jimenez, who's with the Guardians now. Vlad Jr. Grab one from the back here. Home run leaders. Rookie Cup, Devin Williams. Oh, it's another one of those little inserts. Alec Baum, rookie. Feels like there's another one. Brian Hayes, another rookie. Home run leaders and a Bryce Harper. Oh, here's another one. Roberto Clemente. All right, I'm going to move this stack of cards over off camera to make room for more. Start with this pile back here. It's a fresh pile. See if we can get another, at least another one or two hits. Am I being too greedy? Rookies, another Keibert. Bo Bichette in action. Tatis. Yeah, earn run leaders. The great one, Clemente, Aaron Judge, Buxton. That is an insert. Keston Hiura, who is kind of fallen off the face of the world collecting wise. Castle in action again. Casey Mize and Skubal. And the White Sox rookie pitchers. Who do we have here? This is for the Astros. Blake Taylor, Taylor Jones, and Enoli Paredes. Not familiar with any of those guys. Tanner Houck and Sam Huff. Here's another New Age Performers insert. Jeff McNeil. Tigers rookie stars. No rookies in that pack. Man, we've seen this pack a lot. Basic pack. First, Trey Turner. Wow, that looks photoshopped. Rangers. Yeah, we've gotten that one before. Yeah, so far just one hit. Shohei, we'll put him in the good pile. Okay, two catcher rookies, not bad. Both of them pretty good. Move this stack over here. Dylan Carlson and Evan White. Brian Hayes in action. Tyson Miller and Jimmy Lambert. Brian Hayes and Jose Garcia. There's a then and now insert. Dick Allen and Carlos Santana. Rookie Cup, Luis Robert. Austin Riley having a great year for the Braves. In action. Chuck Nasty. Charlie Blackmon. Who's this? The Astros all picture. Oh, first baseman too. Okay. More Tigers rookies. Man, this is... I can see why this stuff is not going for very much. These are pretty brutal. Peterson and Jimenez again. All right. Pretty much almost 2 full blasters worth of packs back here in the back, and that's it. So far, just 1 relic out of 6 blast. Well, I guess 4. I haven't finished opening up these 2. The Astros. All right. Move this pile over here. Shohei. Dylan Carlson. Alec Bohm, New Age Performers. Come on, let's get 1 real one's autograph. Come on. Kyle Lewis Rookie Cup. That was one of those little bubblegum things. Nate Pearson rookie. All right, this will finish up the 5th blaster. All right, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packs left. Luis Garcia and Christian Pache. Brian Hayes. And 2 Mets catcher and a pitcher. And it isn't the Mets' top catching prospect. I think his last name is Alvarez. It's not him. Here's another. Oh, it's Mike Trout. Last pack. Wow. 1 relic out of 6 blasters. Man, that is rough. Chris Bubeck and Tristan McKenzie, and Christian Yelich closes it out. So, man, I don't even think we got any Orioles rookies, which is my team. No Mountcastle. Got some decent inserts, I guess. I don't know what these little circle things go for. Honestly, I haven't looked them up. We did get some decent players out of it. And then the Chris Bryant Clubhouse Collection 17 of 99 with a nice little pinstripe on it. At least it wasn't just a white napkin piece. Here's the back. I don't think I showed the back of it. But yeah, 2021 Topps Heritage. Ugh, it's rough, man. I can see why it's selling for less than 20 bucks on eBay. Well, thanks for watching. And like I said, if you guys noticed, if I missed any short prints or photo variations or anything like that, let me know in the comments down below. You don't mind hitting the like button for the video, and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Bye.